Hey everyone, it's your tech buddy, DK Videos, back at it again. Today, we're diving deep into the hottest topic in the tech world, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, the phone isn't even officially announced yet, but rumors are swirling faster than a tornado in Texas. So, let's separate the hype from the reality and see if this iPhone is truly the future in your pocket. Design, bigger and bolder? First things first, the design. Leaks suggest a subtle evolution rather than a radical overhaul. We're talking slightly larger displays, 6.3 for the Pro and 6.9 for the Pro Max, but with the same premium titanium build and that elegant notchless screen. Honestly, this clean aesthetic is hard to beat, so I'm not complaining. Camera, capturing the unseen, but where the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to shine is in the camera department. We're hearing whispers of a 48MP main sensor, a significant upgrade from the current 12MP. This could mean sharper, more detailed photos and videos, especially in low light. And guess what? The telephoto lens might finally get a 5x zoom boost, putting it on par with some dedicated cameras. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice. Powerhouse under the hood, A18 Bionic takes flight. Of course, no iPhone is complete without a cutting-edge chip. The A17 Bionic in the iPhone 15 is already a beast, but the rumors point to an even more powerful A18 Bionic in the Pro models. This bad boy could bring smoother performance, blazing fast multitasking, and eye capabilities that make your phone feel like a mini supercomputer. The big unknown, iOS 18 and beyond. And what about the software? iOS 18 is shrouded in mystery, but we can hope for features like improved multitasking, enhanced customization options, and maybe even a glimpse into Apple's VR future. Who knows, maybe we'll finally get that always-on display. Final thoughts, worth the hype. So, the iPhone 16 Pro Max sounds pretty darn impressive, right? But let's not get carried away. These are just rumors, and the final product might hold some surprises. Plus, with a predicted hefty price tag, it's not going to be for everyone. But for tech enthusiasts, photography lovers, and power users, the iPhone 16 Pro Max could be the ultimate smartphone upgrade. It's pushing the boundaries of what a phone can do, and that's always exciting. But what do you think? Are you hyped for the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this tech adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.